Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to increase transfer limit in HDFC Bank. The first thing that you should do is to simply go to hdfcbank.com and log in into your account by using your customer ID or user ID, then click on continue. After that, you will have to click on the menu on the top left side right here. Then you'll have to choose pay, then go and choose money transfer. After that, the page will load like this. After loading, you'll have to scroll down till you find here this section, customized transfer limit. Tap on customized transfer limit. Then here it will show you the current daily limit and the new daily limit. And here's a small note, you can read it. The daily transfer limit is applicable to third-party transfer within the bank, NEFT, RTGS, Visa card play, etc. And once you're all done, you should scroll down till you find here this box. Just check it, then click on confirm, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.